I'm gonna tell you a fun fact. So, we're in front of Halfpenny's Bridge.
Happen?
Yeah, Halfpenny. Sorry, Halfpenny Bridge. And I think it was built like around 1860s, something like that. It's old, and for you to be able to cross that before, you have to pay them. Guess how much?
€2.
No, no. Penny.
Penny.
Hence,
Oh, happen.
yeah,
The door
hence hence the name.
The door.
So yeah. I got buttermilk chicken in box tea and then a full Irish breakfast. Box tea is a traditional Irish dish. It is a potato pancake made with mashed potato and grated potato. It is mostly a breakfast item, since the mashed potato is usually left over from yesterday's dinner. So next time, try making this if you have leftover mush at home. Next on the list is we're going to Guinness Storehouse. That's when they started it before. 1,000 cows handmade every week. How many workers? 300. Wow, that's a lot.
Coopers. Oh yeah. I remember that's what they're called.
Coopers?
Yeah.
Which one?
Barrel makers.
Oh. Coopers is what you call it. I just learned something new. Barrel makers are called coopers. And before, they can make 1,000 casks like this every week. And there's 300 highly skilled coopers to do that. That's crazy. 90% of Guinness is water. So that's the hop. 140,000 tons of Irish barley every year to produce Guinness.
Measuring device.
Probably.
I still think it's time.
We roast at exactly 232 degrees. Any higher, the barley catches fire.
find a lot of junking cars outside of the storehouse if you want to go somewhere else, or I don't know, whatever you want to go. And there's a bunch of taxis as well. So yeah, but we're walking. We're going to our hostel now. We just checked in and I'm gonna show you the room. So this is a 4-bedroom. So you have a mirror over here just for your face because I'm small. That's it. That's what I can see. And then we have a cabinet where you can store your clothes. And there's also a drawer, which is nice. There's plenty of storage. And then you can also, there's also a place to hang your stuff. So that's the one. Yeah. And then, so this is the first 2-bed, and then there's the lockers underneath it that you can store your luggage. And then this is where we're actually staying. Every bedroom has a socket and a headlamp. And then it also has a curtain that you can, a curtain for your privacy. And then there's a mini table, a lamp, and a mini fan in case you need it. But right now, still like, the temperature of the room is pretty good for me right now. And there's more outlets over there and there. So there's quite a lot of outlets, so that's not going to be a problem. So yeah, that's pretty good. That's a mini tour of our hostel. This is actually my first time staying in a hostel, so this is going to be new, but also a practice for me, because on my next trip I'm going to be by myself and I'm going to be staying at the hostel as well. So yeah. It's so Christmassy.
I know, right?
I like it. Good morning. We are on our second day here in Dublin and our last day. And today we are going to the Dublin Castle. Check it out. Yeah. After that, we're gonna go find a place to go for lunch and then explore more, I guess. So we're in the city and it's pretty cool. It's like a combination of like new buildings and like old ones. entrance fee for the self-guided tour is 12 euros per person for adult, and if you're a student it's 10 euros, but because their internet is down we got it for free. Which is good. We didn't have to pay 20 euros for it. But yeah, it's pretty nice inside, although it's pretty empty. I wish that they retained more of the things that were there before, but yeah, it's nice to see. There's one here that is a chapel though that I wanted to see inside because they said it's the oldest attraction in Dublin, but it's not open right now. Their McDonald's is color green. So fun. The McDonald's is color green. So we're not in Grafton Street.
It's even on my different.
There's a whole parsley. It's a beef stew, beef and Guinness stew. It's a big fish.